The face pull is regarded as one of the best rear deltoid exercises, and how it's executed is in the name. However, the tricky part may be how you grip the rope, which is the recommended attachment, during the exercise. Honestly, I've done either grip, so just pick which one is most comfortable for you. More importantly is how you pull the rope. Set the height of the cable high enough so that when you pull, it's a direct path towards your nose. You need to make sure as you pull towards you, you are also opening up your arms so that when the rope almost hits your face, your arms and chest are parallel like the video shows. The rope returns to the rack on the same pathway as the pull and repeat for reps rather than weight. Because the rear deltoid is often masked by stronger and more overused muscles, you really have to channel your inner mind to muscle connection to continue thinking about that little muscle in the back of your shoulder throughout the entirety of the motion.